Introducing the Valkyrie and the Valkyrie Pro, RTT gaming systems that are catered for content creation. You could be a streamer longing for the optimum upgrade or someone who just wants to get their start into the streaming world, but either way, you're gonna need a system that can handle all the pressure that streaming can put on your PC. And with the Valkyrie and Valkyrie Pro, you know that you've got all your streaming needs covered. So why design specifically PCs for streaming? Well, this all actually began because we started to notice that a lot of you guys would ask on our YouTube channel if the PCs that we were creating, like the pre-builds or the builds we made ourselves, would actually be okay to stream with. And we then liked the idea of creating a system with that purpose in mind, so that we can ensure that every aspect of the system is dedicated to content creation and streaming. So because we wanted to cater to different types of people, we decided to create two streamer systems. So one for more entry-level creators and one with all the extra bells and whistles too. Both of our Valkyrie systems utilize our stunning Core P6, which is a gorgeous mid-tower case, and it'll look good anywhere. So firstly, the CPUs each system utilizes is the AMD 5600X. So this is an incredible CPU from AMD, able to handle any of the newest titles available today due to its speed and core count. The 5600X also provides a great support with multi-core work such as video rendering. Having a good CPU is incredibly important for streaming. Unlike if you're just gaming, your PC is doing a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to managing streaming and gaming at the same time. Having a CPU with a high core count helps your GPU handle both the game itself, as well as ensuring you have enough stability for transcoding. So the graphics card will differ depending on which system that you go with. However, either way, you're still going to land yourself a 30 series card. The standard Valkyrie comes with an RTX 3060, so this is an amazing graphics card, providing you with peak gaming performance across 1080p titles, but it can also perform well into that 1440p category a bit as well. It is honestly a great GPU for both streaming and gaming, and with 12GB of memory, it's great for content creation and running those hefty programs as well. But for those of you who want a little extra, the Valkyrie Pro comes with an RTX 3070 that can do all the 3060 can do and more. Obviously, having a good GPU is also pretty important when it comes to streaming. If you're having to bump all your settings to super low to stream, it's not only a bummer on you, but also your viewers. Also, with Nvidia's NVENC encoder, your CPU and GPU are basically working hand in hand to provide you the best quality transcoding possible. So because streaming and content creation usually comes with some hefty files, we wanted to look after your storage and memory too. The Valkyrie comes with 16GB of our gorgeous and fast tough RAM, while the Valkyrie Pro comes with 32GB, giving the Pro that little bit extra oomph. Additionally, both systems come with a 500GB Firecuda SSD, as well as a 4TB HDD for all those big files. For you streamers and content creators, we understand how important having reliable, fast storage is. Whether it's for storing all those big stream files for turning them into YouTube videos later, or to ensure that you can get into your games quickly. With our storage options in both Valkyrie systems, you will never be stuck in a long loading screen ever again. To top it all off, we've included an Elgato HD60 Pro capture card built into the PC. This is the perfect way to capture your gameplay on all sorts of consoles, and it's also internal, so you don't have to worry about finding a dedicated space for a chunky external capture card. Additionally, to help put your mind at ease, this entire system has a handy 2-year warranty. All our gaming systems are built right here in Australia, so you can rest easy knowing that we will be looking after your precious PC should you need to send it back to us. The Valkyrie systems are PCs that we are so excited to launch here at Thermaltake Australia. They're systems that I personally worked really closely on, and our primary goal has always been to ensure that we're meeting all the needs of the very same people who'd be needing PCs like these. There's nothing worse than your PC crashing midstream because it can't quite handle all that pressure that gaming and streaming puts on your hardware. So with the Valkyrie and the Valkyrie Pro, that's something you'll just never have to worry about again. The Thermaltake Valkyrie streamer systems. system designs for streamers and content creators built right here by the team at Thermaltake Australia. We hope you love it as much as we've loved creating it for you.